1. What's the shortcut for undo in most design software? Control plus Z. 2. What color model is used for printing? CMYK. 3. What is the most common font used in web design? Arial. 4. Alignment on both left and right margins. Justification. 5. What design software is best for photo editing? Photoshop. 6. Technique using repeating patterns. Repetition. 7. What design element describes texture? Texture. 8. Which designer created the Bauhaus movement? Walter Gropius. 9. Area extending beyond a page for trimming. Bleed. 10. Design principle for guiding the eye. Movement.